Hey y'all, so I am so excited. I got my first hair PR package from Red by Kiss. Let me show y'all what I got. So I got some magenta hair dye. I got some jet black hair dye. They also sent their natural black hair dye. I got the freeze hairspray, and they sent some hair glue, which I love this quick dry hair glue, 10 out of 10. And then they sent over some heat protecting, can't wait to use that. I got the lace bond spray and also this scalp fixer, scalp detox, can't wait for that. Some detangler, and then they sent this electric roll brush, y'all. This is everything that I got. I'm so excited for this journey and can't wait to use these products.